Welcome to JH. Is Bob build on Bitcoin actually legit, or is it just the latest creative way to part ways with your hard-earned money? Bob claims to be a hybrid Layer 2 project, supposedly marrying the security of Bitcoin with the flexibility of Ethereum, because apparently, those two needed a digital matchmaker. The numbers show a 10 billion max supply, with roughly 2.2 billion currently floating around in the wild. With a market cap of $27 million and daily trading volume hitting $10 million, it's definitely getting some attention, or at least a lot of hopeful clicks. It's got all the professional trimmings, a working website, a block explorer, and a listing on CoinMarketCap, which we all know is the industry gold standard for not a total disaster yet. However, we're still in the very early stages here, dealing with complex tech and the ever-present joy of bridge security risks. Plus, that massive total supply is just waiting to dilute your value faster than a cheap cocktail at a dive bar. Bottom line, Bob isn't an obvious scam, but it's about as speculative as betting on a horse just because you like the color of its saddle. Only jump in if you actually understand Layer 2 mechanics and tokenomics, rather than just following the hype train. That's our take on the Bob token. Remember to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose without crying yourself to sleep.